Hey there, I just want to make this quick video to show you my home studio while being locked down here in Australia. And I have this very important message I want to share with you all. Listen, I really believe this is the time you need to respond to things that you're not really used to. For example, typically you see me in proper video set. That's not my living room while my craft studio is being set up. As you can see, the equipment is on the floor right now and my Christmas tree is still up. I haven't put it down yet, and hey, why not have Christmas all year round, right? Well, it's still working fine. I've been able to reach 1,000 healthcare professionals this week, and that really matters. I'm filming these videos actually to put call out to all practice owners, practice manager, team leaders, because I'm afraid that you're not taking this moment seriously and missing both reality and opportunities can present. Look, we are about to enter a serious recession. Millions of people are losing their jobs. Competition will be increased for the same or even less market share. It's going to be a big uphill battle. To use an analogy, it's like you go on a bike ride right now and you see a massive hill in front of you. So what do you do before you get to that big hill? You stand up and you start pedaling more aggressively like crazy, right? Because momentum really matters when it comes to facing with a uphill battle. And however, most of people right now are going through this situation with a survivor attitude. This is not the case for market leader, I tell you. This group is actively marketing. If you look at your competition right now, especially top ones, they won't stop. Notice your market is experiencing the same thing as everyone else is. Uncertainty, worry, disruption. If you step up and lead, you stand out. Okay? It's sort of like a now or never moment for lots of clinics, including yours. So please take this message seriously. I think this is a perfect downtime for you to activate yourself and fully commit to ramping up your online presence and preparing yourself to face with a next uphill climbing battle. And you need to gain a lot of momentum to enter what's going to be a very difficult time for the whole world's economy. You need to be really serious about this and leverage the time that you usually don't have. If you ever want to share your knowledge and advice and build up your online audience and reputation and generate more leads and sales through this online channel, isn't this the time right now? You need to get really serious about this and you can't afford to slow down. You need to step up your game, okay? I'm telling you, I'm not gonna slow down. I've been producing like 3 podcasts, 1 ebook, and 2 videos over the course of 7 days, in addition to leading my whole team and my clients to this chaos. I'm readying myself, I'm gaining momentum, and you should be too. You know, this is the perfect time to make a serious commitment to online learning, to learn how to create a lead generation tool for your clinic that can run on autopilot so you don't have to repeat yourself over and over again and deliver your message on one-on-one basis, okay? And while everyone's right now is sitting on the couch watching season of Netflix and waiting to return from a lockdown world to the world that has already changed forever, you're gonna build your online empire and take advantage of these wonderful opportunities that exist for all of us right now, okay? What I'd like you to do is right now is to join us for our latest online course called Automated Webinar Sales Funnel, how to use webinar to generate new patients and referrals, automate your marketing so you can leverage your time and scale your practice. In this 5-hour course, I'm going to show you how to create webinar content that pulls audience like a magnet, how to close the gap between people know, like, and trust you in as little as 40 minutes, and how to get people buy from you without you delivering your message on one-on-one basis, okay? And I think this is a time everyone needs to know how to teach and sell online, because at some point everyone is going to speak to each other via Zoom, Hangout, or Skype, or whatever new technology is going to be. Everyone will need digital tools to create content, lead people, make sales, and deliver value virtually. At minimum, you need to understand this new world, even though it's not your jam, okay? So hit the button right below and start your mission right now. Let's all get up and start pedaling so we can climb this big hill together, getting up and over it sooner rather than later.